Welcome to Bike Review Pro. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Harley Davidson Thunderbolt, a revolutionary machine that redefines power, style, and performance. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or just love high-performance cruisers, this one is bound to impress. Design and aesthetics. Harley has outdone itself with the Thunderbolt's aggressive yet refined design. The bike features a sleek aerodynamic body, a sculpted fuel tank, and modern LED lighting. Its low-slung stance and muscular frame give it a commanding road presence. The premium finishes and high-quality materials make it clear, this isn't just another cruiser, it's a statement. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Thunderbolt is a powerful liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering an exhilarating riding experience. With improved fuel efficiency and a finely tuned exhaust note, this Harley isn't just about looks, it's about raw power. Expect exceptional torque, smooth acceleration, and a ride that feels both thrilling and controlled. Technology and features. Harley has packed the Thunderbolt with cutting-edge technology. The fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced rider assistance systems take convenience to a new level. Adaptive cruise control, traction control, and multiple ride modes ensure a customizable experience whether you're on the highway or tackling city streets. Ride comfort and handling. The new Thunderbolt's frame and suspension provide a balanced and comfortable ride, even on long-distance journeys. With improved weight distribution and an updated chassis, the handling is smoother and more responsive than ever. The bike absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a ride that's both engaging and fatigue-free. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson Thunderbolt is more than just a motorcycle, it's a perfect blend of power, style, and modern innovation. Whether you're a Harley loyalist or a new rider looking for a premium experience, this bike is worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the Thunderbolt for a ride? Stay tuned to Bike Review Pro for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next video.